everyone, this is Dory.
Hello, I'm Paula.
Hello, I'm Mars.
Hello everyone, this is Dory.
Hello, I'm Paula.
Hello, I'm Mars.
From Hebei Rongkuai Machine Manufacturing Corporation Limited. So today, let me take you to see our factory. This is the office building. So let's go to see the workshop.
This is our spare parts various. You can see that this is a magnet which will be used on the mesh welding machine.
These are the copper for the welding machine. Parts. These are different copper size. The lower copper electrode base, the upper copper arm. The lower copper electrode to connect the welding transformer and the welding electrode. This is water cooling. It connects the water pipe. The upper copper wires. These are the welding electrode. For different size. For for different weld diameter range. Like this, 20 by 20 by 20. You can use the 6 size. It is suitable for 2.2 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. So this is 25 by 25 and 38. So this is a bigger one. This is for 2 welding points. These are the reducer for the motors. This is sample, reducer sample. Some gears. This is the small control box. This is the wires, electrical wires. So this is the sensor switch. Different sensor switch. This is the Panasonic brand. And this is another model. Also Panasonic brand. This is the plug and the wires to connect the motor driver and the motor. So these are the saw motor, the Panasonic brand. You see, Panasonic saw motor, AC saw motor. These are the electric parts. The Schneider brand. Our Schneider brand. This is the ABB brand. ABB. This is the inference on the control cabinet. This is also Schneider electric parts. is some small parts. This is magnet, strong magnet. Small size and big size for different machine. And this is air cylinder, SMC brand air cylinder. This is multi-force and energy saving air cylinder. SMC brand. This is SMC air cylinder. This is the Schneider air switch. Schneider air switch. Panasonic solder. This is SMC brand made in Japan. SMC brand made in Japan. Electro maximum value. These are some air pipe connector. Air pipe connector. This is a small transformer to connect the change the voltage. The C is for 40 voltage. It can change your power supply, the voltage of your power supply to suit on the machine. This is a cast water cooling vent transformer. These are some welds for the machine parts welding to make the machine. These are some cover. Okay, so this is our spare parts drawer. And this is machine testing. So when customers come to visit our factory, we can make the machine working, running to show for them. The machine all with plastic package.
This is a part for the finished machine. All of the machine is waiting for loading. The two-size chicken cage welding machine is for Indian customer. This is the reinforcing mass welding machine for the 5mm to 12mm.
We have the professional equipment for making the machine. Behind me, this machine we call it the sandblasting machine. The function is when we make the machine body ready before painting, we use this machine to make it for anti-rusting for the metal surface. And this way, you will paint it, and it will look very beautiful, and it will use more life. This is our cutting machine. It's our famous brand G-Benz. We are the unique factory that equipment with assembled platform. On this platform, we put the machine parts on the platform to make sure the machine assembled very precise, so that our machine can working very smooth and quality is the best.